So, hello world. This is Mustanzir here, and I just met him, and he runs our company. And I found that the way what he runs the company, he travels a lot. It's very unique, and how he inspires people, and how he keeps his employees in the long run. So, let's just have him share what he does and what his procedures, and let's see. So, take it away.
Okay. Just wanted to tell you that, to keep abreast with the technology, I travel to many exhibitions.
Yes.
Although people think it's a lot of expense traveling to exhibitions, but every expense like that pays you off. When you travel, when you go abroad, when you see new products, when you meet new people, it pays off for your business. You come back with a lot of ideas, with a lot of
Mhm.
new contacts, with a lot of new pricing, with a lot of new technologies that you can, adapt in your business, or if you're into importing products, so then you have new ideas. Uh,
What about in-house? What you do? Because it's very unique how you said that you are away, and what's the most important for you, that you said you leaving your people alone the whole month, and how things work.
the most important thing is that the employees should be satisfied.
Mhm.
You should have a one-to-one with the employees of what their needs are, what their financial needs are, what their other needs are. And you create, you know, uh, their, you create the environment, to cater to their needs. For example, in one of my businesses, which is selling digital safes, we have we have sold thousands of safes in
Mhm.
the market, and a lot of customers sometimes comes back with complaints that there is some problem in the safe
Yes.
and they want to get it fixed. So what I've done is that all the repair billing of the safes, the money which is generated through the repairs goes to a kitty which is shared between the employees.
Mhm.
Okay? That way, I get the best. Once the complaint comes, employees make sure that they service the customer as fast as possible. They make sure that they get the money as fast as possible, and then this money is for them. You know, so they make some money, extra money apart from the salaries, and I get few thousands of customers who are satisfied. This helps me sell more of my products.
Very good. So what happens on the rental basis? Because that story was really great. So if you would share with us.
Okay. Some of the things we rent out to our customers. For
Mhm.
example, some security equipment like walk-through gates. In that case, also we share 50% of the revenue with the employees. That way, employees are ready, because sometimes renters are at odd times, staying from 10 o'clock at night till 4 in the morning, and always uh, employees would make excuses, but when they make that extra buck, they're very happy to do it,
Yeah.
because they can make some money, and even the next day they're there on time, in spite of instead of excuses that
Yes.
we can't make it in the
So it
morning.
was interesting how you let them share the money. Would you please share that with us? Because you said it's like two people goes with a walk-through gate, and so what happens with the money they get?
Oh, sometimes it's shared with a few people. Okay,
Mhm.
so maybe somebody has pitched in some effort and somebody pitched in some effort. So I let them decide between themselves how the money is shared.
Okay, so they
You
will
know,
share the money on honesty basis.
they will share it. Their manager, they will discuss it within themselves. So if, for example, they have 1,000 rupees, then they will decide that who deserves 400 and who deserves 300,
Yes.
and who deserves 200 and who deserves 100.
Yes.
So that's how I
Yes.
let them decide. I don't interfere.
I believe this is fantastic because you are allowing them to make their own decisions, and because they are making their own decisions, therefore they are responsible for it. So it's the self-management is basically built into your management system.
Exactly. Exactly. Another thing that I actively use is the software from Google called Google Apps,
Google Apps,
okay,
yes.
which helps me organize my organization
Yes.
in a really nice manner, because all our contacts are on the Google database, all our documents are on the database, Even some of the databases, we made it on Excel and shared it on the Google database. So it's virtually, as far as I'm concerned, I can access it from anywhere, from my iPhone, from my BlackBerry, from any computer around the world, and I have the data right in front of me.
Well, good luck and thank you so much for sharing with us. And we are looking forward to hearing the entire story in a longer interview. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.